Oh, and every pie or hand among our bro from the room who's here. Every pie do rough from the room. I wish I form a church will be more money to ya, more now about them, or not granted. Now, the chat don't little, yeah. So ya crowd so upon you, what I say. Now, I did a person that can and then say, video see editing of cry bread. Oh, yeah, now editing I and the year will be at okay. So, picture bina appear among for news media can see a post 2 year. Most of Momo say, Madon little. Eh, Joe Biden, Akushiano, as I nearly one of him. It's Momo say, Madu. Cassia, oh, I say, Joe Biden, Baby, Nilu, and him. There's somebody I want to Ghana and truly Jimmy Kwana come on. Anna, sir, go for the man when he, baby, I will left word D. It's time my news be bad. I saw told was now she answer. Uncle for be me go anymore. So what I say? Picture now appear online now Joe Biden post here. Because Joe Biden a presidential candidate, a Democrat for America. A man for crowd Jane say obey me to trauma there so this year. What I say? So picture now post on Instagram no. Picture here obi a share akwara bi a share mask na any swinchim name of the three you know at say John Little Trini ni bi e ho apena for news we na Kofi Adoma o pro sa Kofi Adoma o pro akofo ne kwere interview no ono so Jimmy for John Little Jimmy for no o buy abaka say eyewa na ono kwa America na esema mu mpie no de o ya so odin pie na wo pie no na na ko Ghana embassy akocheche omo na wo hu say oko na wo kan hello na obaye na wo share nkom na akora na onim obi a onim ho da ko share nkom obi a onim no da question come say obi wini about happen on you down just amodi amoti Ghana honom ade efe no kredie de mompe ye de film kra brem utwa ntra na ye smart e de sa de anyi Don Little when you follow west am for follow na say wono asem bi say aba unnim nyansa say obeka say bia oh na enya mia ho na bia picture na say me now so post to page say wo ko share ai Joe Biden am osan na down wo wanim saman o saman amodi ara mo ho osro mu Ghana mo ho tam ho kra ate mo ho tam wo krom honom mo fake news bia na mo publish na news akese ho FM de be ho na mu na mo publish news we they say mo to honom lazy work na mo ye mu Ghana na mo ye won timi nya time nya research say na ye ayi ana mo timi nya time nya research o fitina mo ho premo na news na ba na say o post ni tentema na ya den who post ni late na authentic ayese say oba primo post ni na post ni first na nya den social media jane Facebook jane Instagram wo ho Don Little mo wani nte what you say what na Ghana say Jimmy say wo ba brochie no at least lockdown one shada huni ma bebe so ani tie de wo say wo sua bia ye nti say trunk den kitan Ghana for mama yen jane en say en fata what you say na 2020 who nim say the year 2020 way how technology do no asemla obi wa no wo kan obi search what hona wo ye live video and I say ye interview no wo kan say bi no obi search after say wo kara ya no kra what you say picture na Joe Biden post on Instagram na Don Little what you say wow so we ko challenge bia na fa bra Don Little o share Joe Biden on a live muda and how we share that copy say we are say what you say and there is no way say Joe Biden be nearly down before Don Little see that now about to be we America ni o me cha munja na mo chinate mu post news am ho promise mo ho promise Kofi Adoma wani baby odu akire o atobu ase so now so Kofi Adoma so jeje ho sa na munja mo la ma